Still doubt that acupressure can relieve neuropathy? Don't let skepticism stop you. This video may challenge your mind and uncover breakthrough success with PONAMS. Keep an open mind and explore a new path to relief. If diabetic foot neuropathy is stealing your life, you deserve a chance to break free from numbness and pain, without surgery or endless medications. Relief is possible in just minutes with PONAMS. Clinically validated and designed specifically for DPN warriors, PONAMS is more than treatment. It's transformation. Don't let DPN control your life. Start your journey to freedom with PONAMS today. With its gentle, precise acupressure, PONAMS does more than relieve symptoms. It activates your body's natural healing power to restore nerves and free you from the pain that's held you back. PONAMS combines modern science with ancient wisdom in a personalized solution that tackles foot pain and numbness in a lightning-fast 10 minutes. Trusted by over 10,000 success stories and backed by clinical validation. Published articles proved it delivers remarkable relief. You're on the brink of a life-changing decision. Don't let DPN hold you back any longer. This is your moment. Transform your life today. Unlock the healing power of PONAMS and say goodbye to costly, ineffective treatments. Embrace natural, lasting relief with PONAMS.